Hey, it's Whit Weaver here again, Gus Davis, Alaska, December 5th, 4th. Anyway, I have several lots here. This is Owen Subdivision, and it's closest to Glacier Bay National Park. In the corner here, I have approximately, I believe it's 1.1 acre. He's asking $51,500. He'll owner finance with 25% down. Here's another lot over here, 2.69 acres. He's asking $68,500 for this one. And as you go up the road, onto the left-hand side of the truck, there's a 2.45 acre parcel. And he's asking $2.45, $63,500 for that one. And all the lots up to the straight up in the middle of the street to your right are for sale. One's 2.02 and 2.03. And they're asking $51,500 as well for those. There's an old logging road that goes in that one to get to the other one. There's an easement down the street that needs to be put in to access the back lot. Behind these lots, north side, it's Cook Inlet Regional. It's a native corporation, Anchorage, 1,000 acres back there, so they say they don't want to sell. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Have a good day.